Hey everybody, thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul for you. Now, I know that is unusual for me to post on a Sunday, but honestly, my schedule with uploading has been so off lately because of the holidays. It was kind of one of those situations where I didn't want to post exactly on Christmas because I knew people were busy, and then the days after Christmas were just a little strange on what to upload. It has been a mess. So today I wanted to share a haul with you because there are so many cute things in stores right now. Right when the holidays end and it goes into something like Valentine's, which is also a holiday, they do keep a lot of gift options out, which is super duper cool because this is stuff that they don't have year round, but they do have every year. So I wanted to share with you all of the fun stuff that I picked up. And let me go ahead and show you. This I already used in a video, but for those who didn't watch, I wanted to show you guys these beautiful little vases. I'm gonna go ahead and say this is a vase. It could also be used as a candle holder. I kind of hate that Dollar Tree on their labels. When you go to regular stores, their labels say what the items are. I wish they would do that because it would make it a whole lot easier to find these things online on their website. But most of the time they describe things so weird. Now, for a while, the Tumbling Tower games weren't labeled Tumbling Tower games. It was just wood something. So I think it would just be a lot more helpful if they put the names of what, oh, this one does say candle holder, just kidding. Sorry that I went off on that tangent, but most of the stuff that they put out doesn't have a description, so I take that back. I found these and I thought they were so cute. They look like the shadow boxes, like the little banks that they had before that you could remove the backside, but there is no backside. It has plenty of little areas right here where you can hang it from whatever side you want, although you would want to hang it like this because that's where the lettering is. These little things are so cute. This one says, "Our Nest." Very, very beautiful. "Bless this home with love and laughter. Home where our story begins," and this one is my favorite one. I love the color, I love the font, everything is very, very pretty. And then I got this one that says, "Family where life begins and love never ends." All of these things are super beautiful and I love them so much, but you guessed it, I'm not going to use these as decor. I'm actually going to wipe off this and do something with these. It is really easy to remove this lettering. If you haven't seen my video, I posted this like a year and a half ago, maybe even two, where I made over the Dollar Tree banks. I'll leave that video below. It was really, really easy and totally transformed it. They do have those banks back in stores, but I don't need another one, so I didn't purchase them. So if you've noticed, I already put out another nail video on this channel, and I'm actually back into doing the nail videos. I finally unpacked all of my nail stuff. So I'm back, and I'm back with a vengeance. That does not mean that I will be replacing Dollar Tree DIYs, but when I did do nail videos, I did grow a pretty big audience that did like nails, and I kind of wanted to get back into it because I don't think it's fair that I completely ignored that side of my channel. If you're one of those people that's not into nails, please, please, please just ignore those uploads. I know a lot of people get really, really sensitive when they see that their creators are adding stuff to their channel because they think that they're gonna wipe off everything else. But that's not the case, and I've stated that 1,000 times, yet I still get people that go on those uploads just to tell me how much they hate them or that they prefer Dollar Tree DIYs. And while I appreciate you guys so much for viewing my Dollar Tree DIYs, it does make me feel like I'm in a little box that I can't branch out to other things. And it actually puts me in a little bit of a panic mode because I don't always want to make something from just Dollar Tree. Sometimes I want to do things like restore furniture or do little recipes. But if you see videos with nails in them or whatever, just skip it. I'm not making you watch it. You don't have to. But off on my tangent, I found some really cool LA Color nails. Now, if you cannot find these at Dollar Tree, they do have them at, I was gonna say Dollarama, but I'm not even in Canada. They have them at Dollar General. Family Dollar, that's where they have them. They have a Family Dollar. But these I thought were so cute. They only bring 12, but the sizing is pretty nice. And then I found the Kiss ones. These are my favorite. I had purchased so many of these in that soft pink and used them in tutorials when I was pre-filming. When I wasn't feeling well and I knew that I had to bulk film, I'd use the same nails all the time so nobody could tell that I was like pre-filming my DIYs. So if you saw soft pink nails, there were probably videos that were filmed way in advance. I thought this was so cool, and I love that they're adding more of the stuff to Dollar Tree, but they had these nursing pads, and when I had Aria, this is the brand that I used. I bought it at Babies R Us, and it's not cheap. I was thinking of putting together a little diaper cake thing. So if you guys want to see that video, let me know. I would love to do it. I have a friend who has a baby shower coming up, and she recently found out the gender. So I think I'm going to put a little thing together for her. Not just Dollar Tree, other stuff, but I think this would look great in it because these are such a bargain, and they bring 6 pads. I found this little journal as I was cashing out, and it is so me. It is palm fronds and a flamingo, which I've mentioned it 1,000 times. Flamingos remind me of when I worked at Hialeah Park Casino. They had flamingos everywhere. It was beautiful. And this does have a nice little, so that you can close it up and open it. I know that I buy a lot of journal stuff, and one day I will show you what I do with all this stuff, probably next holiday, because I did post a video on putting baskets together. I posted 3, but I will show you why I buy so many of these things. Hi. You want to say hi? Come here. Come here, come here, come here. Sit down. Can you say hi? Hi, everybody. No? Yeah, say hi. Say hi. No. Okay. She's not feeling well today, so she might just sit here and hang out with us. But she'll probably just pop her little head right here. Sorry about that, guys. She just wanted to color. So another thing that I found, which was so cute, it is a little cactus ring holder. Look at the colors on this. This is so beautiful. Doesn't look like it came from the dollar store at all. It totally looks like something that you buy at Claire's. Super overpriced for like 8 something for this little thingy. And I love the size. It's not too big. It's nice. It's small. And you can definitely use it for something else. This is gorgeous. Speaking of journal stuff, I did find a lot more stuff as I was cashing out. Last week I found the really pretty teal or blue and pink stuff. It was gorgeous. And then this week it was a lot of paisley patterns with pineapples. So I found this notepad, and it has a beautiful gold accent. Then I found this notepad, and it does have a pineapple on there. I don't want to open these because these aren't for me. I found this journal that says always be humble and sweet. Definitely words to live by. This, which I fell in love with, it is a beautiful spiral journal, and it has gold pineapples. I don't know if you can see it as I move it around. I will give you guys a close-up. And then this was in a totally different pattern. I couldn't find the complete set for this, but this was a little notepad and pen, and it is a soft pink with a floral touch to it. The pen is floral and beautiful. Another desk pad with pen, and this is in that same paisley pattern with the pineapples. So I love that their stationery stuff is looking so beautiful. If you do go to stores like Claire's and you have a preteen or a tween or a teen, then you know that this stuff is really expensive. It's anywhere from $8 and up. So when you're putting together things like this, it's really pricey. So when I see this stuff at Dollar Tree, my heart gets happy. I can't wait to see the calendars that they come up with this year. I didn't check, I completely forgot, but those are actually really beautiful as well. So I've hauled this 3 years in a row. Something always happens to it, but I always haul it to try and recreate a picture that I took of Aria during her first Valentine's, and it is this little heart wall piece, wall art, wreath. I don't know what to call it, but I love it. I'm gonna post a picture that I put together. Everything in the picture is from Dollar Tree, and now that she's a little bit more cooperative, I wanted to go ahead and recreate it. I think I might do a video where I actually just film myself setting up the room when I take pictures of her. I always use Dollar Tree props. For a while when I couldn't afford a photographer, and still now, I just put a lot of props around my house, get my ring light, and take some pictures, and I think that's a great option for moms who can't afford it. I'm not trying to knock going to a photographer because there's nothing quite like somebody who can light you light you beautifully, but if you can't afford it, there is nothing wrong with going and picking up a few props and taking adorable pictures. Pinterest does a really great job at showing you how to do that. So things like this I love. This I didn't haul, but I did take out of my storage. This is what I used in the original picture. This is from Dollar Tree, and I just wrote, I'm Mommy and Daddy's Valentine. So I might do that again this year. Let me know if you want to see a video on taking pictures and setting up a little area. I have seen these in stores so many times, and I never purchased them because I knew that I would never really put them up. But they are these gorgeous wall hooks. Look at how beautiful these look. They look so realistic, and I think they just look so beautiful. I finally purchased them because I think I'm just gonna use the hooks for one of my DIYs. I know that it is a lot more affordable to go to Walmart and buy hooks, but I always get those people that are like, it's not all Dollar Tree because you didn't get the hooks there. So what I've been doing in my videos is I've been giving people options like, well, if you want to do all Dollar Tree, you can use the hooks that come in this, or you can go and spend 97 cents for a 5-pack, you know what I mean? But sometimes Dollar Tree is not the better buy, and I want you guys to keep that in mind when you are crafting. By the way, sorry, I am getting chattier and chattier with these videos, but you know, I feel like I'm talking to my friend and I'm just showing you all my junk. Per usual, whenever I see these crock handy lighters, I purchase them because your girl is scared of fire, and this keeps me from burning my little fingers. I burn candles every day, and I know I promised I'd make a candle video. I have not come around to it, not because I don't want to, but I can't find my hot plate, and I really don't want to use my stove. I don't use a microwave for this. I always just put it on a little electric burner when I'm melting wax. I did it one year on my stove and it was a nightmare. So once I can find that, or once I purchase another one, the candle tutorial is on. I found more of the beautiful ornate frames. These are tiny and square. The last ones that I found were oval. I think that this is going to be a permanent thing at Dollar Tree, which makes me really happy because these do look a lot better than their regular square frames. If this fits your decor, or for wedding stuff to put on a table like the number 1, 2, 3, the table numbers, this would be gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So I'm really happy that they're bringing stuff like this back, and I even think that these are available on the website. I haven't checked yet, but I hope that they are, and I hope that they stay. Okay, so that's it for me. I am so sorry, per usual, that these videos are so chatty, and I thank you so much for sitting through them, for leaving me comments, for always showing me so much support. But anyway, I wanted to wish you guys a happy and healthy and positive 2019, and I want to thank you guys so much for allowing me to be on the internet and sharing my craziness. Thank you all for being my besties, and I will see you in 2019. Till next time.